The Clarke CPS85 mini plunge saw is ideal for DIY or trade use and can achieve professional results cutting or edging most types of wood, laminate, metal, tile and plasterboard. A low-cost set of 3 guide tracks are available for the CPS85, making it into an efficient track saw. The powerful 550-watt, 230-volt motor spins the blade at 5,500 RPM for a smooth and effortless cut. The 85mm cutter has a depth of cut of 27mm, and the saw is provided with a 24-tooth TCT wood cutting blade, an HSS metal cutting blade, and a diamond edge blade for cutting ceramic tiles. A clearly marked depth stop on the side of the tool is used to limit the depth of cut, and an edge guide is provided for use when trimming your material down to size. When using the optional 420mm guide rails, they can be connected together to give one 840 or 1260mm long rail. Secured with the supply clamps to securely attach them to the workpiece, the rails allow for accurate long cuts. The CPS85 is equally at home cutting sheet material down to size as it is accurately trimming panels to length, while the replaceable rubberized splinter guard on the optional tracks provides both accuracy and a superb finish to the cut. The plunging action enables accurate stop cuts to be made, for instance when making routing templates or cutouts. This mini plunge saw has a soft grip handle for comfort, whilst its adjustable cutting depth allows for added working versatility. A dust extraction port and adapter is included at the side of the saw to help keep the work area clean, and for safety, this must be used when cutting ceramic tiles. The Clarke CPS85 Mini Plunge Saw, a competitively priced quality saw with a host of features which will make it a joy to use for many years to come.